lot, and that's why I decided that I wanted to make videos for you guys, because I saw Miss Jessie making these amazing videos for you guys. So I wanted to make one too. And so today we're going to learn how to make a snack mixer. So for the snack mixer, I used whatever I could find around my house. So that means I had toilet paper and egg cartons. And this is what we're gonna use to hold up the snack mixer. And I also found a dowel around my house. You can use any circular object, and you can also use any object to hold it up. Like you can use cut up cardboard boxes. And you can also use something like a paper towel roll to be your circular cylindrical object. So I put my egg carton on my toilet paper roll, and that's how I made the first stand part. Now this next part is a little harder, but that's okay. I wanted to use cups, and I didn't have any plastic cups or cups that I could poke holes into in my house, so I used more egg cartons and I wrapped around a piece of paper so that I can hold a little bit more snacks in there. So with this, I cut a hole through the egg carton, and I'll show you guys how to do that now. So what I did was I took some kind of sharp object like a paper clip, and you should probably have your parents help you out with this part just so you don't get hurt. So I had the paper clip and I poked a hole on both sides through the egg carton, and these are cardboard egg cartons, so they're easy to poke holes through. You might have a little bit more trouble if you have a plastic egg carton, but your parents can help you poke holes through that. Alright, so I poked 2 holes on either side. And then I'm just taking my scissors, and again, have your parents help you on this part, and widening the hole a bit so that this dowel will fit through. If you have something bigger, like a paper towel roll, you should probably try doing something like hot gluing or gluing it to the paper towel roll. So then I could just stick my dowel through, and there's the cup that's going to hold my snacks. So again, I'm going to use my bigger one so I can hold more snacks in there, and stick my dowel through both sides. And make sure when you're cutting the holes they're on opposite sides, and try to line them up the best you can. So we have both the cups on there. Hopefully they'll stay up. And if you look at this, they immediately fall down. So what I did to remedy this, we're making a simple machine called a wheel and an axle. And so this axle is going to turn. And so what I did to try to keep it up is using a clothespin as a weight on the side. I found that this works the best as a weight, and we'll be able to balance it just like that. And you can also use something like a binder clip if you don't have a clothespin. So now I have my cup, which is going to catch all the snacks once I mix them together. And let's try this out. So make sure it's standing up, make sure the weight is held in place. And I have nuts and dried berries that I'm going to mix together to make my delicious snack. So I'll pour a little bit of nuts in here, and a little bit of cranberries in the other one. And then I can twist it so that they all mix together. So this was one method of using a wheel and axle. There are plenty of other methods that you can use, plenty of other supplies you can use. For example, you could put a CD on the dowel and make a wheel and axle that way. So try to use what supplies you have in your house, and try to see if you can come up with your own snack machine. I'd love to see you guys post them. So if you can, send pictures to us, and I'd love to see what you guys create. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you next week.